Salt to Serenites says test. Ellie_B314 says first.
Oh my god, Ellie. It's been forever. How have you been? You are the first. Oh my god, I miss you.
Uniticoder_com says first.
Oh, nice. First plus. What? Aww. No, it really has. Oh my god. Like, it's been so long, I thought I was dead.
B314 says objective first.
Maybe I am. Maybe I'm in streamer heaven. Because there's people that I recognize. Hey, Unity Coder, that's a cool badge. Grass. Where did you get that from? That's really cool. Objective as well. And how are you doing too? I hope that. Does the audio work? No, Mike. Oh yeah.
Ellie_B314 says fucking working a lot.
Oh my god.
Like almost
okay.
60 hours this week. It sucks. LMAO.
Oh wow. Aww. Is it just because it works just temporarily really busy? Well, hopefully that's the case. You know, like, settle down. Jeez, it's a lot. I hope you also get paid if you, for any of the extra time you put in.
Uniticoder_com says it was some Twitch event stream, or N31C here, so need to start wearing winter clothes.
Oh my. Why are you not already wearing winter clothes? Like, geez. Some Twitch event stream. Oh, well, that's cool. I mean, I guess the events is probably over, but yeah, I like that one. It's cool.
Ellie_B314 says 50 hours usually. This week has sucked though. BC almost fired someone, and one of my closers quit.
Oh.
Trying to hire more people RN, but holy heck.
Oh, nice. So, are you in charge of hiring people in the company you work for?
B314
Or could it be your company? Because if so, that's even more cool.
I'm not used to this weather.
Oh, okay. I got you. Oh, and now I can really imagine how hectic it is.
Ellie_B314 says I don't have the programming job anymore. LOL.
Ah, I see. Did you decide?
Legion 18C says God more Jean.
Yeah. Good morning, Legion. Or God more Jean, I guess. Look, Legion, there's people here. It's peoples. Yes, whenever I think of like food jobs, I think about how like stressful it is. Like there's so much you have to do, and
Legion 18C says peoples.
I wish people more peoples. Yes, I wish peoples were more appreciative of just. I don't know. I think it's a difficult job because I did not enjoy working in the food industry.
Ellie_B314 says, so what are we doing here? Is this Java
it's
or
Microsoft Flavor Java, of course. Yes, that's what this is. Exactly. And it's a very nice flavor. Yeah. It's like sugar flavor Java. It's actually palatable. Okay, so the last time I worked on this was like a long time ago, so I'm just trying to remember how all this works again. Sorry, I'm not like doing anything right now, but I'm just yeah. Oh yeah, okay. I guess I can store a. Oh. And then what is okay? Oh yeah, that's the enum. Okay. What was enum? Just do. Okay, some lines have an unknown mod level. Unknown element. Nice, overly specific, out of context message. Majors. Oh, it's okay. It's return unknown. Oh, yeah, and I have that added too. So. Okay, so I think it's gonna be something like down here. I shouldn't take long breaks from encoding. This is so bad. What is log dictionary? Where's that? Oh. Oh, wait. No, that's the name of the dictionary. Stupid. Okay, so I guess I scrapped these three things, these three characters for substring. I just have to remember like what this does. I guess it's just the name. Oh yeah, this is this. No, I guess we're not like using this one yet. Why is this?
Ellie_B314 says try to explain what the code is
Okay.
doing in English.
In English.
Compare that with what
I don't
the
know
goal
what
is.
that is. Yeah, so I guess it's just gonna be super non-technical. The code runs and then it yeah, and then it does things. Yeah, it does. Okay. Okay, it takes this string. It takes the log line string. Tries to get the three characters that are in here. I guess I don't know what to call it. It's the three like header characters, which is the substring inside the log line, and then I guess is and then there's like an out variable. Wait, try get value. Wait, substring log dictionary. Oh wait, no, it's trying to get the enum, I guess, because it's using this as this is the key in the dictionary, so it's grabbing this and using it as the key, I guess, and then it's trying to get the enum, so something like that, maybe a little bit off. And then taking the, I guess, taking the, if it can identify an enum, then it puts it in a variable, I guess, and then in this line it asks to return. Well, then it returns it. So I need to basically, if it doesn't match one of these, make it return unknown instead. But you know, what I'm not sure about is like, what is it? Okay, maybe I should just see what it's returning. Oh. Okay. Expect unknown. So this returns fatal because I guess it doesn't, I'm guessing, where is it? Okay, I guess if it can't find a log level, then it doesn't return.
B314 says if the condition is
Is that
false,
what
it isn't able to pull the value out of the dictionary.
Mm.
What happens then in the code?
Okay, if the condition is false. If it can't return the value, then... Oh, wait. If the condition is false. Oh, yeah. Yeah, that is what I'm trying to figure out. I think it just skips this line because there's nothing here. Like, it wasn't able to, like, create an out variable in that case or something, and then it can't return, and then it just goes to the return log level fatal. Maybe? I mean, maybe that's what happens. I'm not 100% sure how the out specifically works.
Ellie_B314 says that's right.
Oh, okay. I mean, I can quick fix it and just be like, return.
Ellie_B314 says, so what should it do instead?
Well, right now it should return log level dot unknown. Yes. Ooh. Thanks for following. Whoever followed. Oh, cool. Legion. Oh, everything doesn't break.
Elemental Magic's card game says, yo, try changing to substring 03.
Oh, really? Oh. Elemental Magic's card game. That's a cool username. Do you like card games? The out grabs the log level value from the dictionary into the log level variable. Yes, log level value from the dictionary. Yeah. I mean, I kind of, Yeah. I mean, now when I look at it, like, I kind of forgot, like, how exactly it's able to do that. I remember when I was doing this before taking my long gap in coding, like, it made sense. It made perfect sense, and now it makes sort of sense, not perfect sense anymore.
Substring 1,3 xyz equals yz.
Computer C#. Oh, I guess you mean the out thing is interesting with C#. I think it's really cool. Substring 1, 3. I think it's grabbing the right ones because it's working so far with 1 and 3.
Is correct. Since you have to account for the wrapping square braces.
Yeah, there's the square bracket thing. Yeah.
Ellie_B314 says substring 1, 3 xyz equals xyz. Legion 18C says you can think of out as a second return value.
Wait a second. This is an if statement, and then... Oh, because it's in an if statement. So that's the logic of it. It tries to get this and puts it in. Okay. I guess. I feel like I don't understand this enough to write this myself. But
Ellie_B314 says, yeah, you could see that in the test case.
Okay, so time to do test 3. Yeah, they are on it. Convert to short format. The log level of a log line is quite verbose. To reduce the disk space needed to store the log lines, a short format is needed.
String key, out log level, log level.
Oh. We'll try get value.
Ellie_B314 says beat me to it. Ellie_B314 says LMAO.
Oh, try get value. Oh yeah. So try get value is just like it's just a method in C#. Is that a good way to say it? It's like I don't know. Just a method? Wait. What? What?
Ellie
Why do you have
underscore
tranky value on the
B314
outside?
says it's a method on dictionaries.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. That's how it's being used right here. That's right. Why did... Wait, when you wrote it, Legion, why did it look weird? Come on. Oh, wait, no, that's the... Oh, I know why. I know what you're showing me now. You're showing me the, definition. Yes, okay. It's for the dictionaries. Gotcha. I'm really slow right now while I'm, like, remembering how things work. What's it? Logline?
Legion 18C says yes.
Yay!
Smiley face.
Thank you for helping. Hey, Legion, did you know? Did you know Ellie is a programmer too? And Ellie is super cool because like, she can do the low level things and work with circuits. And she's the one that I told you about a while ago who uses System Verilog with like the weird language that a lot of people don't know. Yes. And it's really cool.
Legion 18C says that's really cool.
Like if any of us were gonna make a computer from scratch, Ellie could.
Ellie underscore B314 says now I'm just the GM of
Oh wait, that's a real
Taco Bell
term.
Prime.
Wait, I was thinking of like Grandmaster, like in chess for a moment, and I was like, oh, that's so cool. But then I was like, oh wait, General Manager. I'm stupid right now. No, I want to call you the Grandmaster of Taco Bell because it's a cooler title.
Ellie underscore B314 says General Manager LMAO.
Aww.
Ellie underscore B314 says I be
Oh
making
my
the
god, that is
customers roll
awesome.
D20s to determine what combo they get.
I feel like if you did that might make you the most like popular Taco Bell in the whole country. Like people will be traveling across the country just to come to that one location. Yeah, that sounds fun. Someone should do that. That's a really good idea. Someone should make like an RPG themed restaurant where you roll the dice and that's what you get served on the menu. I don't know. I think that'd be kind of fun. And then you get a discount for rolling the dice. Or so if you can order off the menu without rolling the dice and then you pay full price, or roll the dice and you get served whatever you roll, but with the slight discount. Could be fun. Short format is developed. The encoded log level is simple mapping of a log level to a number. 0, 1, 2. Oh. 4, 5, 6, 42. Okay. Wait. Logline output for short log. Output the short and log line format. Level.error. Oh. Okay. Why does it need this log level.error? I'm not sure why this matters at all. Oh wait, probably because... Oh no, I get it, because you need the yeah, never mind. Makes sense. Because you could use any of these. You could use log level.info and then it would show 4 at the start. Okay. Oh, look. They set it up for me. So log level and then the string. That's right. But so should just do like a bunch of like if statements? Or is that not elegant? type. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Wait, actually. Wait, isn't this here is like the return type? Maybe? Yeah, I think so. That might sound like a stupid question though, but I'm forgetting things. But I'm gonna test a thing because I'm just curious. If I just returned like just log level, like I'm just wondering if that returns like a number because these are supposed to represent numbers. Like this would be 0, 1, 2, or if it's gonna return like no, I don't think so. It's probably gonna return like log level dot or something as a string, maybe. Does that even make sense? Maybe this won't even work because I don't know. Okay. No, I was thinking it could just make it a string, but I guess not. To make it how do you make that a string? I feel like I kind of forgot how to convert things to other things. I wonder if like enum has like a 2 string or something on it. Hmm. Oh yeah, you could do like enum.toString. That's what I was thinking of. Cause I just curious what it will show. Like if it'll show a number or if it'll show a what is this? Actual trace. Oh no, it just shows the name. Debug. But what if these are numbers then like how would you show the number representation? Did you try to like make it into an int and then make it into a string or something? Oh. Oh, you use an int. Int
Legion
number
18C
equals
says int number equals int log level gotta cast it.
Oh, and then you'll get to see it's number form. And you guys are like that. Okay, thanks. Wait, can I like make it into an int and a string in the same line? I kind of want to try it. Maybe you can't do that, but I don't know. Cause what if I like put int in the front and then keep the two string? Maybe. Oh. Okay.
Legion 18.
Oh, it's doing the two string and then doing the int. So it's not doing it in the order I want. Oh wait. Oh what? Oh, you can what? And oh yeah, I have to make it clear like the. Okay, I see. I don't know why it does this part first. Maybe it's obvious it does. Oh wait, oh yeah, cause no, this is like one operation, and then the cast happens after. Yes. Thanks, Legion. Like this. Wait. Maybe. Wait. Did I just do nothing? I think I just did it wrong. Yeah, I did. I just what I did nothing to it. I was like, wait, I just did my parentheses added no meaning to the statement. Int. Oh, the log. Okay. Oh. Delete the extra parenthesis. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so that works for just the first like two. Yes, but it's good to know you can do this. I'm gonna make a note of this and like just put this in my notes. Like it's yeah. Notes. Oh. Why? Oh, yep. Now it shows numbers. That's good. That's cool. Actual 2. This is in my notes. Okay. Cool. Maybe I shouldn't do this, but if it's stupid. 0, 1, 2. Wait, unknown trace debug. So greater than 2. Oh wait, no, never mind. I can't do it like this because they're in the wrong order. Oh wait, but I could change the order by just putting unknown up at the top. Oh wait, yeah. Wait, 0, 1, 2. We're missing 3, 4, 5, 6. No. Yeah, I'm just gonna move unknown to the top so that the first 3 work, and then. Yes. I think this is fine. I think. Do I need to leave a comma in there? Wrong? Wait, why? We'll break it? Oh wait, did not finish. Oh, wait, no, this line's not gonna work. Because I was gonna just have it, well, I was gonna make it so that these three things work, and then if the if statement doesn't return 0, 1, or 2, or whatever, then I'll just handle these ones manually, or something, if that makes sense. I was thinking.
Legion 18C says that wrong is from a while ago.
Oh, it is. Okay. I sometimes forget when messages are sent. Thanks. Oh, that's when I was doing the parentheses wrong. Yes, thanks. Oh yeah, and I think this is what I'm trying to do with this solution. I'm just doing it because I can, and because, like, I don't know, I think the syntax looks... This is cool syntax, but I think also this is like a poorly written solution because it's confusing and there's no reason to do it like this. Like, it's not clean. It's like very dirty or something. That's what I'm thinking, because it's just, why am I handling 3 of these in like a different way than I'm handling the rest? It's also whatever. I'm doing it though. And then thing happens, and then this is return. Okay, yeah, version is a variable.
Legion 18C says there's often some special cases around enum.
Oh, you know what? There's often some special cases around. Special cases? Really? Oh, well, I think they're numbered, but I think the only way to access the number is like making it an int. Because they are, well, they have numbers attached to them, but like, you just, by default, it doesn't seem like you get the number or something. I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, see, like here? Or what is this? Assign is not. Oh, I'm stupid. I can just assign it. What am I doing? I should just assign the numbers manually. It literally says I can do that right here. I thought it was forced to keep the order 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's dumb. Okay, I'm just gonna assign all these manually then. Because I could have just did that from the start. 0. I don't know if this syntax is right. I think so. 1, 2. Info warning error fatal. 45642.
Ellie_B314 says then if you can cast it to an int.
5, 6. What is it? 0, 1, 2. Test. I guess I don't actually need this part. I'll just be able to just return. Oh wait, no. Not. I need to do a little bit more. I also need to format the rest of the string. I have the number though, which is nice. Number and then colon and then message.
Ellie_B314 says string concatenation.
Yay. Convert plus. I maybe I should do it in the nicer way, because isn't there I want to use the way with like the $sign with the you know that feature of C#. I think he used $sign.
Ellie_B314 says string dot format.
Right? Oh, sorry. I think it's $sign for this. Sure. Dollar. Oh, and then he quotes too.
Legion
Yes.
18C
Okay,
says
and then
$value
thank you.
text.
Thanks, Legion. Yes. And then I need, you're right, to put things into the I think I used this brackets on this, the curly braces on, because this is like a curly brace thing. Yes, that should be. And then colon. And then bracket message. And then I clean all this up. And hope it works. I don't need a fatal.
Ellie_B314
This is
says
exorcism.
what website is this?
I like this one. It's fun. But sometimes the problems can be kind of hard. Sometimes the problems can be kind of like, because it's all like community made, which is really cool. So everything is like open source and stuff, and but some of the problems are like inordinately hard. But that doesn't happen too often. Most of them are really good, but sometimes you run into one and they like, why did they make it like impossibly hard for like someone who hasn't learned programming?
Says link.
Oh yeah, yes. Exorcism, and they have so many languages.
Says I'm gonna speed run.
Do it. Oh my god.
Ellie_B314 says I don't know C.
Oh, oh, I bet you could do it like really fast. Because anytime, like any other programmer who doesn't know C#, but they're like basically a professional programmer, does anything with C#, it seems like they like figure it out super fast, and then they become better than me within like 20 seconds. Is what it feels like. Crazy. Because then I'm like, oh my god. Sometimes I'm like, oh my god, you're so good at C#. Is this like your main language? And then they're like, no. This is like my first time ever using it. I just figured it out. I did a quick Google search and then it instantly made sense. And it was like, and I'm like, oh, okay. It's cool. Yes.
Ellie_B314 says once you program enough, you see past the syntax.
I know. It's so cool. It's like a superpower. Yeah, programmers are the coolest people, in my not super humble opinion. Yes. And they're the most fun.
Ellie_B314 says 90% of programming languages are really just a monster in different clothes and makeup.
Nice. It works. Thanks everybody for helping. Appreciate it. Oh, hey Ellie, if you want to start with one of the ones that's like really hard, I can send you the link, because it took me, like the hardest one I've done so far took me hours, and even my friend who's like a programmer, like it's just like it's also kind of poorly written. And it took them some time too, like, and I couldn't have done it if it didn't help me either. But do you want to give that one a shot? I actually I dare you. It was like, remember when I was playing Nan game and it was like, this is so hard, and just like
Ellie_B314
oh yes,
says sure.
Okay, dare you. Okay, let me mark this as complete. I'm so sorry for this. I apologize ahead of time, Ellie, because this one's just horrible. It's just evil and horrible, and I never want to do it again. I'll be honest. Where is it? It's telemetry. I think that's how you pronounce it. I was pronouncing it wrong before. Is it telemetry or telemetry? Or is it telemetry? Telemetry. Yeah. That's probably how it's pronounced. Where is it? Clean.
Ellie underscore B314.
Oh god, this one. Oh my god. Oh, I hate this one so much. Telemetry? I don't know.
Salt the Serenides says https://exorcism.org/track.
This one, it just sucks. It's just horrible, and it's kind of slightly misleading, and it's just. I don't know who thought this was a good idea. To put this as the learning exercise, not it's still a good program. I mean, sorry, it's a good problem, but they put it as the first exercise in the set, and that's what blows my mind. It's like that was a really bad pick for someone who like this is all like intended for people who have very little experience in code. So, I mean, that's kind of, it's asking for a lot. That's for sure. I think. Daytime. I hate these. Scroll. Time zones. And time zones are just not fun. Okay, this one's not gonna be a really fun problem at all. Yeah, normally, because I was planning on a short stream, I'd normally head off, like, about now. But I'll stay on a little bit longer because I feel bad for, Oh! I want to watch.
Ellie underscore B314 says I'm gonna stream it in Discord LOL.
Oh, that's cool. Wait, do you perhaps wanna, like, talk on the stream, Ellie? Or maybe I could, like, show it and if you feel like it. Yeah, I am kind of curious, like, your thought process, how you're gonna solve it. Mm. Okay, I remember the difference between Strux and classes, because isn't... Oh, wait, no, Strux is just the I think I remember what Strux are. No, wait, I don't know, I think... I don't have, like, interfaces and Strux clearly delineated in my mind, so I don't remember, like, which one is which, but I think struct is like goes along with class, and like I think one of them is like passed by value and the other is passed by reference or something. And then this one's value, maybe? Google. Yeah, it is struct versus class. One
Legion
of them
18C
is.
says yes.
Oh, I'm right. Okay, struct is value. Yee. Thanks. Thank you, Legion. The routines to convert between local time and UTC. Okay. Arithmetic can be performed with the help of time span. Oh yeah, I'll join your stream, Allie, to and a Discord just to check to see how it's going. Where is this? Oh, okay, there. Ooh. Ooh, you're doing it in the IDE. That's cool. I feel bad for I feel bad for suggesting you even solve this one. It's just annoying. Oh. Right. You remember hyper optimized telemetry. 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 I'm not sure. Okay. Anyway, you remember that one, don't you, Legion? Nice. Why is my TTS not like TTSing?
Legion
Oh, there.
18C
It's
says
just delay.
yes.
And you enjoyed it, didn't
Legion
you?
18C says it's something alright.
It's something, yeah. You know, it is because I do think it was like really stupidly written, and you remember it was like kind of misleading and it was a little bit dumb. If you have like a hint that you want to like maybe drop Ellie, like you know, just as like a heads up, like, I don't think that would be like a bad thing, unless Ellie doesn't want any hints at all. But I don't see why anyone should have to go through the suffering of figuring out what they actually want by trial and error. I mean, it works one way, but it's just yeah.
Legion 18C says I blocked that shit from my mind.
You should. I
Laughing
did too.
face.
I did. I literally just yeah. I took it out of my mind because I never want to think about that again. I just remember it was so annoying. It felt so arbitrary. I'm gonna go check on the stream again and see how Abby's coming along. Oh, nice. Abby's writing comments. Oh, and because Ellie works with a lot of like low level programming, Ellie's also probably super familiar with like Little Endian and Big Endian. Do you remember how much time Legion we spent on on like Little Endian, Big Endian on like googling that to understand to understand how it's which direction it's read? I'm having like PTSD right now. I really hate that problem. It's horrible. Maybe actually just I really do kind of just want to watch Ellie solve this and not do any more programming because was tired. I hope that's okay, Ellie, if I switch over to you.
Legion 18C says yeah, I've never really had to consider that stuff before.
Oh wait. Is OBS doing what I want? No, it's not. Oh yeah, because I need to... Oh yeah, that works. Kind of like not full screened up enough on. Oh wait, I know why. It's just because oh I can do that. Like, okay, wow. It's... Oh jeez. There's the arrow keys. No. Oh yeah, thanks, Ellie. So it was actually like Legion that helped me with this problem, and so we both ended up solving it. And I think Legion, didn't we solve it in slightly different ways ultimately? I think we did, because then you wanted to show me. Yeah, we did, because you wanted to show me your solution afterwards. But I hate this problem so much though. But I think didn't we kind of like do most of the same thing, but there were just like some small differences? Or I don't remember. Maybe you do.
Legion 18C says I think so.
Yeah.
I remember there being a bunch of small pitfalls that just took a long time to figure out what exactly you were supposed to do.
Yeah. So, like, we both ended up having to trial and error a little bit until we got the output. Yeah. I'm gonna be super impressed if wait, let me stream around. Wait, why is there an echo right now?
Ellie_B314 says I fixed it.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna be super impressed if you solve this in the first go. That'll be really cool. But if anyone could do it, I bet you could do it at the same time because when I saw you solving the problems from Nan Game, it was like, holy hell! How do you just what?
Ellie_B314 says I'll pause my programming until it's over.
Until it's over. Wait, until what's over? Oh, was there an ad? Oh, okay. It must be an ad or something. Yes, that makes sense to wait. Yeah, I'm gonna check back on the streams. Wondering if it is a... Yeah, it was. It was an ad.
Ellie underscore
Oh!
V314 says laptop died.
I see. New news. Did that? I wonder if that means you like. Hopefully, like on you have it still. Everything's still saved. Ah, there it is. I like the comments you leave in your code. I feel like I'm really bad at that because I think like when I solved this problem, I don't think I left any comment. So if I were to look at my code, I'd be like, oh, I don't really remember what any of this does. You know, it's funny because if like I zoomed in enough and then cut out the Discord bar on the bottom that shows us in Discord, I could just like pretend that, oh yeah, I'm the one doing the coding right now. Like that's definitely me and not you. So I'm just This is good like that. You type really fast. You do feel like the programmers type fast. Ooh. I think that's a bitwise. That's cool. I don't think I don't yeah, I didn't do that at all on mine. Or anything like that. Yeah, that was bitwise, yeah. Oh. Cool. I think it's really cool that you started doing it in the IDE instead of just in the web browser. 'Cause, yeah, I didn't even want to try setting it up. Like, the extra things. But you got it working like super fast. It's almost like you already had it ready to go.
Ellie_B314 says, bruh, what are these errors, LMAO?
No. Oh, that's what all the red things are. Jeez. Well, you can either there is always the web browser, which I've done solved all these in. Oh yeah, it's not the fanciest, but it is work well. Catastrophic failure. Wow. And since I've never done it in the IDE before, I don't know how similar it is when you run the tests. But what I do like about the web browser is you can just do each of the tests one at a time and check for each one, so you don't have to like finish all of the tasks at once before submitting. And that's nice. So, so I remember one of the things that kept happening when trying to solve this problem is there's like all those little tests, like test 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Like sometimes what was happening to me is every time I make one of them pass, it causes another test to fail, and then I fix the failed one, and then it makes another test fail, and then I fix that failed one, and then one of the ones that had passed also failed, and I'm like, what? Why does it keep happening? It was just very annoying. But hey, once you solve this, you'll be amongst the privileged elite who will never want to ever think about this one ever again. And also, once you solve it, I would love to hear your feedback on what you think about this problem. Bruh, nice. Nice. There's like conversion that has to be done on it's very annoying on different things. So I guess like maybe it could have been something like long to you long or something. I don't remember. Just hate this problem. Oh, and one little thing to make you feel better, there's like a part one and a part two. Once you solve the part one, like the part two is actually like way easier. They're both a little well no, this part's very annoying. The part you're working on right now, so annoying. But the second part, doing the opposite, like reading it is comparatively trivial. So you won't have any problems with that part when it comes up. But this part you're on is like pain itself. Oh my, I don't even know that word, monomorphize. Probably the unintentional way. Also, interesting. Nice. I hope whatever that is more efficient than the intended way. Because always intended way is pain. That's funny. They should rename the name of this exercise from hyper optimized telemetry to just um like test of patience. That's it. Bro, I think it's because of the um yeah, the one's like bigger than the other. But I think when that happens, you can like cast it and like force it, but then you lose data. I'm imagining like that's what just happened. Seriously, yes. Thank you, thank you. This is such a bad problem. Do you see why this actually took me like 6 hours? And then as for my programmer friend, it took him like I don't know, an hour and a half or two. Which is crazy because it's like this is supposed to be a learning exercise. Like this shouldn't take like an actual like programmer this long to solve. You know? Yeah. If you do end up wanting to see mine, just let me know. I'm happy to share what mine is. This problem was annoying enough that it did make me kind of feel like multiple times giving up. Oh. It is kind of written poorly, isn't it? Don't you think? Like that's what I found too. Like once I like figured out what I need to do, I'm like, wait, this is kind of misleading. How like this is what I thought. Ended up thinking about it. Wait, that thing, what you're writing in right now, isn't that? I forgot its name, but isn't that thing that everyone hates and complains about? That I don't know. I forgot what it's called. But that it's like that query language thing for searching. What's its name though? Ooh, that looks cool. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh, cool. If I recall correctly, like mine looks a lot like that too. Like it was like a bunch of ifs, and a lot of them were like, yeah, similar. Well, what? I didn't know you could switch to dark mode without paying for the service. Oh, wait, where did the dark mode go? Oh, I wonder if that's just for like the settings. Tragic. This is what I hate about this problem. Like things pass and then some fail, and you fix the things that fail, and then it breaks the other things. But eventually, you just get it right, and then everything just passes. That sometimes happens, and if you just do it again, it should just run. It's like annoying when that happens. I'm sorry. I can I can feel your frustration through this screen. Ooh! Oh, I thought they were all like passed for a second. We have a lot of them passed. Oh yeah, this was the part that got annoying. Was like dealing with the negative cases. Oh yeah, I think you could agree this particular problem is really not very well suited for like people who are like very new to programming. It's just way too tedious and difficult. Also, it doesn't teach like hexadecimal either. But I already knew about that. But if you didn't know about, if someone came into this not knowing about that, this would be really intimidating too. Oh, and what it's showing there, I'm pretty sure that same thing happened to me with the zeros being like, with mine being 255, and I'm like, wait, what? And then this is where I started having to look up like little Indian, big Indian thing nonstop because I felt like I wasn't understanding how the like they were supposed to look. Yeah. Like yeah, if I recall correctly, this is the point in time when that happened. Which reminds me, at some point in this, I started having to think about like binary and thinking about like, wait, why why are the numbers like opposite of what I thought they would be? Maybe they're all like carrying over or something. And it started to get really weird and it really hurt my brain. And even to this day, I'm still not like 100% sure if I really understand like what was happening exactly, but I ended up just kind of making my best guess of like, oh, I think things are carrying over somehow. Like the ones are all like carrying over or something and like turning them into numbers that, yeah, like what it was showing with like the differences with the 0 and the 255s. Oh, you did it! World record. See that, and that was faster than me by a lot, and I think even and faster than my friend too, by a bit little. This part you shouldn't really struggle with. That it was only that part that you just did that was like, ugh. Good job. Wait, so that the triple cast works? What? That's cool.
Legion 18C says well done.
Well done, yeah. Look, Legion, we got another person to join us on the like on the throne of hell, basically. Congratulations, you've earned your masochist badge. Yeah, it is. Like, you won't run into the same issues with like things breaking and stuff and it being like super weird. It's way more straightforward.
Legion 18C says you are a good person, and definitely not cruel at all.
Me? Yes, it has to be me, because that does sound like me. Like a good person and definitely not cruel. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I don't know if you were following along or not, Legion. If you have any thoughts about Ellie's solution, if you thought it was like any of it was cool, but yeah.
Legion 18C says not enough. Happy face.
Well, Legion, were you watching during the part when Ellie was typing in the like IDE and was modifying multiple things at the same time? Do you remember what that's called? Because I feel like we talked about that before. I think I might know what that is. I mean, I don't know it myself, but oh, regex. Yes, yeah, that's his word. That's the name, regex. Yes. Yeah, we did talk about that before, Legion. Because remember, you were talking about how you thought it was like so stupid. Because whenever you see someone like typing in regex, it looks like insanity. It looks like like it looks like typing in Java, that weird JavaScript brain fuck. You know what I mean? That one. Looks crazy.
Legion 18C says LOL yes.
Yeah. but it was super cool. And I can totally see how if you like actually like really learned and mastered regex, how it would be really like a convenient tool to be able to like, yeah.
Legion 18C says yes, I did see that. That is cool.
Yeah. It is. So are you. And so is Allie. Both are really cool. Programmers are the coolest. Ooh, another weird uh bit operation thing. I think that's what that is. Or bitwise, I guess is the word. Left shift by. Oh! Then, or in the lower 8. Hmm. Mm. Now for the tone. Let's see. Yeah, that makes sense. I like how you comment it back to the comfortable space. Yeah, once she finishes Ellie, I'm gonna pass out because yeah, they're tired.
Ellie underscore B314 says sort ad.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. You know, Ellie, I was thinking about doing Nan game again, and I mean from the start, like starting all over from scratch, for, because it's been so long since I've done that. Because at some point I just like got stuck and then just stopped. I don't really know why I would want to torture myself again by doing it all over again, but like, it'd be cool to like do the whole thing and finally finish it and actually get all the way through. Is that was the original intention? But I don't think I'll focus like too hard on it. I'll just do it on the side for fun, I guess. I don't think I want to spend like hours on it in one shot, but maybe like spending like 5 or 10 minutes after streaming, just well, not after stream, but after doing the main stuff I want to do on stream, and then you know taking some time to treat an end game like a proper game. Form. Honestly, it's really cool that you're doing like stuff with the actual like bits or like the you know. Cause I didn't use any of those things at all. Oh, nice job! What? You did it! Like, you deserve like an actual like bonus for that. They should the site should send you a check in the mail because of the trouble people have to go through to do this. This did suck. Now don't kinda it. You know it didn't kinda suck. You know it. You know it mega suck. Yes. Yeah. This is really not a good problem for beginners. Like the amount of extra research I had to do to do this. The code is gross. It makes me sad. Yeah, yeah. 1 star, everyone. I. That line sums it up. The code is gross. It makes me sad. Yeah. Oh, I'd love to show you. Yes, yes, I'll show you. Wait, can I see a solution from top to bottom? Because I might like rewatch this and like look through it myself because I think it's really cool. Oh wait, let me scroll a little bit. Ooh. Wait. Nice. But congrats, that's I do think that's the hardest of the learning exercise because I'm only going through the learning exercises and the the thing is like the learning exercises are supposed to be trivial. Like they're supposed to be easier than easy. This one was also a learning exercise, but I do not know why I got categorized as a learning exercise. This is like horrible choice for its categorization. This was by far the worst one I've had to do so far on exorcism by a long shot, and you did it. I'll show you mine now. But yeah, I'm sorry for putting you through that. I'm not a good person. Legion was wrong. I'm a bad person. But I was really entertained. So, yeah, thanks. And I'm proud that you're able to solve it so quickly. Because in my opinion, that was fast, considering like how actually super annoying that specific problem is. Please. Let me remove this. And go. I'm gonna just click on the link again and go right to it. Oh. You know what? Hold on. I'm not gonna find it from here. Yes. Yeah. Like. One of these. I don't know why it's taking so long. Should I just skip over it? Oh yeah, I did. I did skip over it. I'm being stubborn. Yeesh. This one's mine.
Ellie_B314 says integral numbers.
Integral numbers. Oh, that's where it was like located. Stream delay. Yeah. So I did mine like this. I don't know if my names are stupid, but whatever. My names are both stupid. Oh yeah, and then you didn't do this, but I used the bit converter. This thing in that class. I actually thought you had to use bit converter. I don't think you used that. You just solved it without having to use it, which is really crazy. And I'm pretty sure Legion also used bit converter too. Hmm. Oh yeah, lots of else.
Ellie_B314 says I'm a C programmer, so I just remade the will LMFAO.
Oh my god. That's what happened. Oh my god. So you ended up like making your own bit converter basically. Like what?
Ellie_B314 says
I
I didn't know that was available.
Wait, I feel so bad for you. I'm sorry. Oh. Well, you you didn't need this handicap. This handicap's for babies like me. Okay. This and then this. And then this. And then I have some for each. Which apparently these are like inefficient, but I really like for eaches. They're really I really like for eaches. They're really nice to read. And easy for me to like understand when I'm like looking back through code, so I like those a lot. And then I think this was this was my reading class.
Ellie_B314
method.
says they should be basically the same efficiency as a for loop in a lot of cases.
Oh, really? Oh. Okay. Because I was told, I don't know, are you around, Legion? Didn't you say something like for each can be kind of like inefficient with the way the compiler works? Because like Legion like mainly codes with C#. I guess you probably wait. Do you have for each in C, in regular C, or at least in like C++? Oh, I use more stuff from the bit converter class in mine.
Ellie_B314 says it exists in most languages,
But not C.
but not
Yeah,
in
I figured.
C, LOL.
Yeah. Well, regular C doesn't even have like strings, I guess, so which is really sad. Very, very sad. But yeah, that's. I'm actually, now that I'm looking back on my code, I'm actually really impressed you were able to do this without bit converter. So you basically deserve like an extra trophy because, jeez, what? Is that why you were using the like bitwise stuff, like where you were doing like this, the stuff that looked like with the caret and then the equals thing? Like you were basically doing the job of bit converter? Oh my god. That's crazy.
Ellie_B314 says yep.
Oh, it makes sense. No. Well, I'm color me super impressed because wow, that was cool. That was really cool. And I thought this problem was hard, and I was just using a lot of bit converter, which is hard to figure out the solution. And you didn't even do that. You like made the bit converter yourself, sort of. So I don't even know how you solved the whole thing in the first place, but you did. Wow. I guess the see this makes me more interested in like bitwise operations and stuff. Because I guess it's really that's really cool. And then after doing all that work, like putting yourself through like the you made this problem even harder because you didn't know about the class. Like it became even harder than it way harder than it should be. And after all of that, you just called it. You just said it kinda sucks. You said kinda. You're you're a badass.
underscore B314 says, I mean, that wasn't the hard part.
Oh, well, that's fair enough. To me, it looked hard. No. Because I didn't have to do it myself. I was like, what is that?
My inability to read the fucking instructions.
Oh no. Kneecap. Oh. Honestly,
B314 says LUL.
I get this feeling from meeting other, like, just meeting programmers in general that that's like the hardest thing for them to do anyway. It's something about instructions. Like, most people don't even seem to read the readme, so just like, no, I'm just gonna try to jump in and do it without looking at the readme. But this was fun. Well, thanks for giving me the privilege of watching you figure that out. And then come up with a brilliant solution.
Ellie underscore B314 says OFC.
No, I was
jumping in the stream again.
I was already
Sorry,
planning.
I kind of took it over, LOL.
Yeah, you just gave me entertainment and let me enjoy, the perspective from a viewer, because I was planning on just after I did my little thing, I was gonna, because it's really late and I'm super super tired. I haven't slept yet. I was just planning on I was gonna do a really really short stream and then I was just gonna get off, and then go to bed. But because I haven't streamed in so long, it's like even if I just stream for 10 or 15 minutes, I really really should at this point. Like the pressure's building. I feel bad, and I need to get better at touching code at least once a day, because that's why it took so long with the what I was doing at the beginning of the stream was like not hard at all, but I kind of forgot a lot of stuff again because I went for like a long time, probably a few weeks or so, without typing any code, and yeah. But yeah, so instead of just going to bed, I just watched you instead, and it was really entertaining and fun. And I can totally see myself in the future once I learn more programming things, coming back to rewatch this and like looking at your solution, because maybe I'll better understand it and better understand what you're doing and be like, oh wow, that is so clever. Now I can like fully appreciate this. But yeah. The fun.
Ellie underscore B314
Oh, you're gonna go to bed too?
Then.
Good night.
I am also going to head off to bed.
One more thing, Ellie. I'm also impressed you were able to do this, considering at the beginning of the stream, I think you mentioned like how tired you were and you've been working really hard this week. So I don't know where you have the energy, how you're able to do this, but you really are a badass with it. And yeah. I aspire to be like you.
Ellie underscore B314 says no you.
No you!
Ellie
You're the one out there
B314
hustling,
says
and you're super smart. But yeah. Good night, Ellie. I hope to see you again, because yeah, I've missed you. But yeah, this makes me want to like stream a lot more now. Now that it's like I was not expecting you to show up and be the first. Like the last time, I know it's been a while since I streamed, but the last times like a bit when I've streamed, like I've thought to myself, like I wondered like where you were. I was like, I hope you're okay. So I'm glad you are. Yeah. Good night. I'm gonna pass out now. And you pass out too. Sweet dreams.